Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I made another purchase, another constitutional silver purchase. Picked it up from my resource from Let Go, and he keeps calling, keeps sending me messages, and I keep responding because still getting the great deals. And this is an assortment of a bunch of different stuff, some halves, some quarters, some dimes. So, pretty cool little pickup. So let's go ahead and take a look. Here, let's get into this. We've got some Standing Liberty quarters, a bunch of those. We got some Mercury dimes. I believe there's 11 of those. Actually 9 of those. And I got 11 of the Roosevelts. And these things are just beautiful. They're all 1964. And gotta be BU. These things are just perfect, shiny, beautiful. So I got some of those. And I got 20 of the Washington quarters, $5, half a roll. Hopefully I can make a whole roll with these. And then I got 24 halves, 23 Kennedys, and 1 Franklin. Let's start with these. These are in the bottom of the bag. Go ahead and move these over a little bit. Take a look at the Kennedys. Oh man, look at these things. Aren't these things beautiful? Really nice. So we should have 24 total. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look at these things. These are all 90%ers. There's no 40%ers in here. Here's 1 Franklin. 1963. Very nice. And let's keep counting. So we had 6 here, 8, 11, 13, makes a total of 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, with separate them out a little bit with the 1 Benny. So a total of 24 halves. And again, was able to get this whole assortment, this whole package of stuff for 75 cents below spot per ounce. So another great deal. So let's look at these Rosies. I'm sorry, let's look at these Mercurys. Rosies are coming up next. And again, just standard Mercs, but they're in pretty good shape. Not all slicked out. So we have 3, 6, 9, 11. So I did have 11 of the Mercurys. So that means we've got 9 of the Roosevelts. So I had a total of 20 dimes. So instead of stacking stuff up, you know what, I'm going to bring it down because I'm going to have to take a thumbnail picture anyway. So let's go ahead and put the Franklin on top since I only have 1 Franklin. And well, they're kind of hard to stack. I hate to bang them all up against each other, but alright, so here's our 11 Mercs. And we have 9, like I said, really nice Roosevelts. Those things are in, looks like BU condition. I don't think those were ever circulated. Those things are beautiful, but of course I'm going to throw them in a pile and ding them up because what else would I do? That's how I roll. And we have 20 quarters here, 20 Washington quarters. Let's take a look at these. And very nice. These things are all in great shape. Not perfect, but pretty nice. A lot of 64s in here, nice shiny. AU for sure, if not BU. These look like they've never been circulated to me. That one has at the 63. But, what do you think? Very nice. 20 Washingtons. Put them all on the screen here. Yeah, maybe I can move my camera over just a little bit. And these he gave me are the 16 SLQ Standing Liberties. Now I don't generally buy these because of the wear on them. I mean, people like them a lot. They definitely go more usually for the Washingtons, especially if they're in, decent shape. All these have dates on them. Most of them do. And so, that's nice. This might give me one full row of Standing Liberty quarters, so that would be nice to have a roll of those, because I definitely don't have a roll of those or the Barber quarters. So maybe this will get me there, because it'd be nice to have this part of my constitutional collection. So what do you guys think? Let's see what the face value is. So we've got 24 halves, that's $12. We got the 20 dimes, that's $2. We got the $5, the 20 Washingtons, that's $19. Then we have 12 SLQs, not 16, so that's $3. So that works out to $22 in face value. If we multiply that by 0.715, it's 15.73 ounces of silver. So 15.73 ounces, and picked it up for 78 cents under spot per ounce. So that's a great deal. This is a really fine deal that this guy's given me, so pretty happy about it. Pretty awesome that we're continuing to work these deals out, and he's continuing to sell to me for such a small price, or such a good price. So at this point, I've given this guy quite a bit of money, as you guys can imagine. So he's working these deals because I think he wants to keep me coming back. I mean, obviously, I can take my money elsewhere, and I think he knows it. So why not continue to, supply me with my constitutional silver? And he's making money, and I'm making money. So, why not continue on both sides? I think it's a win-win situation. And I like that we're doing it every so often, and that, one of the comments on one of my videos was, if I were you, I'd ask him for it all, and I'd just back the truck up and take it. Well, in theory, that's good. But, in practicality, I don't have that kind of money. I need to wait for paychecks to come rolling in. But in practicality, I just don't have those kinds of funds. So I like that it's been spread out over a couple months. I think we've been doing business for over 3 months now. And it gives me an opportunity to get more money. But also, as you guys know, spot price changes. So if it's at, I don't know where it's at today. It's on the weekend, so it's stagnant where it's at right now. But let's say it's $15.50. And I go in and I buy it all off them for $15.50 at spot. I don't know, give it 70, 80 cents below, whatever it might be. But then tomorrow, spot changes to $15. Then, I've paid too much. On the other hand, if it jumps up to 16, I mean, we all know how the spot price goes and how we have to play that game. But, I like that that we're just doing it every so often. Sometimes he wins because spot goes up, and sometimes I win because spot goes down. So the dollar cost averaging, I think, really works well, because to me it's been more down than up, and we've seen it get up into the higher 15s lately. But we've also seen it drop down to closer to 15 as well. So anyway, that's it for now. 15 over 15 ounces of silver for 78 cents below spot per ounce. Pretty happy about it. I love that I got some old coinage as well, the Mercury's and the Standing Liberty quarters. Those are awesome, and just another great deal. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.